Tarlow, Hart Rodgers, talking about business and business litigation. Hi, Mark. How are you?
I'm great, Jeffrey. How are you this afternoon?
Good, thank you. You're going to bring up one of my favorite stories, family feuding.
Family feuding, the never-ending saga of the DeMoulas case, which has been going on for decades and has resulted in many decisions by the courts. And the most recent one involves a dispute that I think actually can come up quite frequently with businesses, and that is when people want to transfer their interest in a company that they own, a closely held company, a privately owned company. There's frequently transfer restrictions built into the articles of organization or bylaws or a shareholder agreement. And in the DeMoulas case, there was a dispute over a desire on the part of some shareholders to transfer their shares. So the case was some minority shareholders wanted to sell their shares, and in the articles there was a buyout procedure under which if you wanted to sell, you had to first present to the board of directors the opportunity to buy the shares. An arbitrator got appointed, and then the other side had an opportunity to appoint a second arbitrator, and together they would appoint a third arbitrator and set the price. And if the company didn't buy the shares, then the seller shareholder was free to sell to whoever they wanted. Well, the problem here was the company was established as a subchapter S corporation, which has the tax benefit of not being subject to double taxation. C corporation gets taxed at the corporate level, and dividends get taxed, but a C corporation is taxed like a partnership. So the company was interested in preserving their status as a subchapter S. That means the seller of the shares can't sell to a corporation, for example. It's not a qualified sub-S shareholder, and it would disqualify the company. So the company refused to buy the shares through the arbitration process. The selling shareholders wanted to sell whoever they wanted to, so they ended up in a court. And again.